Good morning! It's our second day here in Seoul, South Korea, and we plan to visit the famous cafes in Ikseondong. Nag-book lang ako ng Uber going to Ikseondong and it only cost me around 155 pesos. Diba sobrang mura kaysa magda-train tayo? In less than 10 minutes from Yeongdong, we finally arrived and nakita ko kagad tong very famous salty bread. Buti na lang na abutin namin walang pila. Minimum of 4 pieces per order. And it cost me around almost 500 pesos. Medyo pricey siya for a bread. Tikman natin later. So, nag-ikot-ikot pa kami at grabe, sobrang dadami at ang ganda talaga ng mga cafes dito. Hindi kami makapili. Nandito rin pala isa sa mga shooting location ng True Beauty and Lovely Runner. Grabe, sana makita ko si Sunjae. We finally decided to try this cafe. Very zen and cozy rin ang vibe niya. Oh, si Kuya napa-second look pa ata. They have juices, coffees, and pastries. And since busog pa kami, in-order namin yung mga recommended drinks nila. And it cost us around 600 pesos. Nandito na yung orders namin. Juice for Clark and coffee for me. Ang totoo nga, masarap siya. Try naman natin tong very famous salty bread. Very soft and buttery siya inside. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye!